Let us now go to C. Tikatarisa C hama, tinoona kuti pakanzi ipo we have 2 root 5 squared. How do we do this? We know from our indices kuti a squared zvinoreva kuti a times a. Saka tikazviaplaya panapa tinenge tava na 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. Then tikada kumultiply manumbers ega, 2 times 2 times ma square roots ega, the square root of 5 times the square root of 5. So we know kuti from what we illustrated, the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to 5. Here we have 2 times 2 ndi 4 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 then ndi 5. Kureva kuti our final answer is 20. Our final answer is 20.